So you like
visual.
Yeah.
To me, that's
We're gonna put it on light here.
it's really nice.
Yeah. You know what?
This is underestimated in my opinion.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
It's really visually just.
Well, being an engineer, I like this one because of the mana vault. It's just I don't know,
detail in
something
the mana
about it.
vault's amazing
I just
as
like
well.
that. Yeah, obviously some of these are kind of blah. I mean, I actually like this one a lot too because it's unused. It's the one they lost it. They're all really cool. That's special.
Hey, this one's Blue Hurricane, right?
Yeah, Summer Magic.
Yeah, this one's the Summer Hurricane. Blue Hurricane.
Vintage Magic. Game, collect, invest. For more information about our consulting and professional services, visit vintagemagic.com.
Happy Finance Friday. Well. Isn't it crazy? We came from a world of interest rates were all-time low. Money was going crazy. Stocks were going nuts. Crypto went crazy. And now, new president, crypto is at $100,000. Bitcoin, that is. Altcoins are going crazy. Ethereum's all-time high, basically. What the hell is happening? I'm going to talk all about it right now. Finance Friday. So, by the way, you guys, look at our eBay auctions. The final auctions are running right now. The finale. We're going to have lots more coming up for 2025, of course. But that is the finale. So check it out. Link is below. But let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about why the world is the way it is. And why is it that Magic the Gathering cards haven't really like spiked up crazy like crypto? All right, let's do it. So, first. Oops, earthquake. First, number one. That's not the way it works for collectibles. I'm going to say it right out of the gate. For those of you who are impatient and think that collectibles should just spike out of nowhere and blah, 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 that world of buyouts and everything is long gone. I will say, though, that this is a buying opportunity. Mark my words. I'm not doing it as a sales pitch. In 2025, the comeback is coming back in old Magic cards. Here's a few reasons why. Number one, the crypto market itself has proven that people are not wanting the old school 401k, I don't know, stock purchases. I mean, don't get me wrong. Those are still decent investments. But people want to put their money other than stocks and other collectibles or other things. Unregistered, non-registered assets. That's number one. All right, so why has the collectibles not reached that heights for 2024? Well, people are essentially establishing their profits. They're figuring out, should I invest in crypto further or keep trading it, whatever I'm doing? And should I take it out and start spending my profits and gains? And the gains that have happened with crypto have recently ballooned, right? So understand, people have to pay taxes, stuff like that, figure out their personal finances. Holiday season's kind of wonky. But in 2025, everybody will figure out, okay, all those crypto investments I made are going to be profits and realized. They're long-term capital gains, and now I can basically get taxed the least and splurge a little bit. And I'm going to buy cardboard, effectively. Now, I'm not saying all markets are going to go up. I'm saying select markets in every industry will go up. Will it go back to the crazy low interest rate time? Wow, in the video, it's a random truck. Will it go back up like the low interest rate time of 2020, 2021, whatever, COVID time? Probably not. That's an anomaly of itself. But I can see that its current levels right now, certain things, Power 9, artwork, artist proof, sketches, art-driven product, they've been hammered. Old school Magic cards, alpha cards, all those cards have been hammered due to the COVID growth, and they've declined quite a bit. Not like 2017, but definitely not to the levels that it was before. Also, sealed product. Sealed product is definitely one, sealed boxes, whatever, right, has definitely been hurt quite a bit. I'm not convinced about rarities. I think rarities such as misprints and weird stuff like that, I think that's going to struggle still. I think those are always one-off here and there. Don't get me wrong. There will be certain cards that will go back up, but I don't think they have the growth potential like the things I named earlier. So recapping, once people start selling their positions of crypto, taking profits, they're going to have the money sitting around. They are going to buy other assets, and there's going to be large sales and large deals. Do I think that they are going to go back to the original pricing of COVID time? No, but I think double-digit growth will happen. All right, so what am I doing about this? I would literally, if I were you, I wouldn't sell your old school cards until next year. I would hold on and sell them when you see, growth in terms of the sales. Now, here's the problem. Once you start selling your collectibles, you're going to be like, Dan, these are going to go up. Aren't they going to go up further? What do I do here? Hard to decide. I think if you are a buyer of the collectibles, it's a great time because the collectibles have gone down quite a bit. You're making money in other yield areas like the crypto scene, and you can make your choice. It's still a buyer's market right now, 100% a buyer's market right now. So I think that you can hold on and wait. What about like artwork, artist proof? Got some messages about that. All right, so here's a little hint. Obviously, you've been seeing I have a lot of rare artworks and artist proofs that I've been brokered and own. I'm going to be offering them publicly for 2025, and little hints have been going out. But if you're interested, you need to message me ASAP. If you have crypto that you want to spend, yes, I will accept the crypto. We can make a deal. I will say this right now. I made it one of the largest Magic the Gathering art deals in the world. I'll be announcing 2025 early when it's completed in January, and you will see an example of that. But if you are holding crypto, you don't need to cash it out. We will accept your crypto. And this is a trend that's actually happening. Vendors are finally jumping on the bandwagon and accepting the crypto and believing that it's something that's investable. Sure, you have vendors that basically still want the cash. They need to run their business, etc. But I see more and more people interested in crypto to essentially hold on as a hold. They see it as, wait a second, I can see that going higher than my, buying more Magic Gathering cards. Go figure. Is it, crypto is going higher than potential than real estate, has higher potential than gold, obviously, all those other assets. Here's a funny one. People were saying that crypto, Bitcoin will finally reach the levels higher than gold one day. All right, so this is interesting. I was thinking about this, like, how could this happen? And one thing that I think people still are fearing is losing their entire crypto wallet due to some hack, due to some, whatever will happen. A lot of institutional, like just basic investors who don't have no idea, aren't putting any money in crypto because there's no FDIC insurance, which is basically the federal government will insure up to $250,000 per account, up to that amount if something happens. So because crypto has none of that FDIC insurance, people are afraid to put their money in there, right? And there's a lot of that still. So I think we're past the days of having confidence in what crypto is. Crypto is not a currency. It's an asset that people are hedging. It is an asset that's limited. I think it's like 21 million or 22 million ever Bitcoin. You have other assets in crypto that are meme coins or altcoins or whatever coins, and they are tradable like little penny stocks or other smaller companies in the stock exchange. So it resembles in some ways that arena. There's a lot of trading going on. There's options, there's ETFs, there's everything. Big companies have bought it. CEOs, everybody has adopted it, right, in many ways. And there's more and more that could potentially do this. So as the money keeps flowing into it worldwide, you're going to see more growth, more accelerated gains. So 2025, I'm going to call it right now. This is the final tag here on the video. I'm going to have a few more videos before I leave on vacation, but I'm going to tell you right now, the best time to buy is right now in early 2025, and then the market is going to rise in the older Magic cards, double digits. I'm not sure how high, but not 2021, 2020 levels, but it will rise. And a lot of rare collectibles will be accepted in crypto, which is an opportunity for you to spend that crypto and not get taxed on it. So that's all I got for today. I want to hear your comments below. You know how I view this. I'm bullish on it now. I was kind of concerned at first, but now it's time to ride the bull market. All right, guys, want to see the pool? Where the update is? Check this out. And for those of you who follow the channel, the pool is basically done. Look at that. The pool is finally done. The slide's there. We got plants. We got a railing. Unbelievable. A railing, pool furniture. Took over 3 years, and we are done. All right, guys, enjoy life. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you guys on the next one. Hey everyone, it's me, Daniel with VintageMagic.com. I want to share with you more about how we handle consignments. So to begin the consignment process, we actually need to start with the consultation service. In this consultation, I will determine what you're looking to do. And generally, consigners usually tell me, hey Dan, I'm looking to sell my items and maximize the value of their collection. After we determine through the consultation, I usually like to do an appraisal process. And an appraisal process in terms of a consignment is more fitted towards authenticity and valuation for current market values. From there, after a contract is crafted and signed, we will then receive the items from you. The reason why our consignment process is very thorough is we also identify cards that could be graded so then they can maximize higher dollar values. So the payment process is very simple. Once we have sold your items, you'll get an updated ledger and we will process payment for whatever form of payment you need. As a consigner, you're gonna experience our white glove service. What that means is I'm gonna personally handle your collectibles from beginning to end. And rest assured, the client that purchases your collectibles will also receive the same white glove service. It's a signature service that I really pride myself on in working closely with my clients.
Vintage Magic. Game, collect, invest. For more information about our consulting and professional services, visit vintagemagic.com.